And the court has had a chance to review the report as well as the police report in this particular case. It sounds like there's a lot of minimizing that is going on. I understand that the parties have reconciled, gotten married, and everything else during the middle of this particular case. But the incident itself, based on the statements from the child that was involved, are serious. Mr. McBride, you need to figure out how to control your anger, keep your hands to yourself, and treat people with nothing but respect. Apparently, Miss Thomas is coming back.
Yes, ma'am.
One moment. Miss McBride, Miss Thomas McBride, if you can unmute if you have anything to say.
Um, yes, I do have something to say. I love my husband very much. I thank God for him. It's unfortunate that all of this has happened. Um, I don't think it's fair to him for everything that's happened because of some of my choices, my thoughts, my thinking process, my behaviors, and I love him and I want to see him move on with his life, or we move on with our lives, should I say. He's very active in the community, um, with our Kingdom Hall as well, because we're Jehovah's Witnesses. And I just want to put this behind us. I really do put it behind us.
Thank you.
Thank
Miss
you.
Miss McBride, I respect and I can appreciate how much you love your husband and how you want to put it behind you. But my fears for you are very real. And they are that and I told him this while you were not present, and I'll say it directly to you. The both of you have minimized this situation. And I hope that, um, you both chose to get married when I had a no contact order in place instead of going through the proper procedure to try to get that lifted. He suffered the consequences of that. Um, but the no contact order was in place for a reason. As I read this police report, I am extremely concerned about the relationship that the two of you have, but these are your choices. The court's position is simply to get him in the best place possible to be the best husband to you possible. The allegations in this case are that the witness in this case said that apparently Mr. McBride told someone to shut up. Um, you and he were arguing with each other. So that person got up and walked to the bedroom, saw him grab you, slam you against the closet door, and punch you in the face with a closed fist. Then, when that individual intervened, Mr. McBride took that individual into the bathroom, slammed them onto the sink and counter, and the fight ensued. That is a lot of violence going on in the household. That is why he is here. I don't play the minimizing game. I don't do that. So he will get it together or he'll go back to jail. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. McBride, now what would you like to say?
Um, that yeah, that situation, I'm never gonna be in that type of situation again. Um, keep putting God first and family and providing. Those are my three goals, and I'm gonna keep focusing on those three goals, and not letting words that people say to me, and stay away from um, people want to like bring me wrath or like taunt me or who don't like me, things like that. So I'm gonna focus on not being around those type of persons and focus more on God. And I'm a mentor for the big or to help the younger kids who've been through a hard life like I've been through. So I can talk to them so they don't end up, you know, going down the wrong path that I went down. And I'm doing my best. And people look up to me. And I don't wanna I don't wanna break that. I don't want one situation to hinder other people's that look up to me, because I'm a good person. Um, no matter what nobody say. Um, past is my past, and I'm still trying, and you can't blame a trying man. So I can't blame nobody. It's all of this was my fault as a man. Um, I could have left. I could have walked away. Could have left the whole time. Um, and this brought me a lot of pain in my soul. This case did. I don't never want to go through it. And I don't want to let nobody else go through it. And I'm gonna make a change. I promise on my soul. Um, for God, my family, and my community, Washtenaw County. And I promise I'm gonna make that change. That's all I gotta say. I'm sorry for wasting the court's time. Also,
Mr. McBride, you said a whole lot of something in there. What I'm going to try to take from what you said is this, that you're going to make a change.
yes, ma'am.
When you were in custody, you were very humble because being in custody does that. You need to remember what your thoughts were when you asked me to get you out, to let you get out. You need to try to always take yourself back there because you don't want to be there again.
No, I don't want to let nobody down. Like I came to the point in my life where like my soul was getting tired, and you know and I still got my freedom in my life, you know, and people looking up to me, so I can't break. I just can't break, and I just gotta keep praying, you know, and God got us.
Are you two trying to tell me that this whole incident was made up by someone? I'm just confused and I'm really bothered right now by all of this.
No, 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 it wasn't it wasn't made up. It was exactly what happened.
So, sir, why aren't you apologizing just for your behavior? This whole people looking up to you thing, we're not here for other people.
I
We're here for you right now. We're here
yeah,
for you and how you can get yourself together.
yeah, my behavior, that's why I said like I regret, and I could have just walked away, just left the house that day. I could have just left. I couldn't, I could, first of all, I should have been wise enough not to respond to negativity. That's where I messed up at, where I shouldn't have let my anger get the best of me. No matter what anybody said to me, I shouldn't have, I should have just walked. If I would have walked away, it wouldn't have caused this much pain. If I would have just walked away. So My behavior was wasn't it was out of line.
Hmm. Well, I'm going to follow a recommendation and we're going to see whether you understand or not, because I am concerned about whether you fully get this. I'm going to sentence you to 93 days in the Washington County Jail, credit for 20 days served, 73 are suspended. So if you don't do what you're supposed to do, there's additional 73 days in the Washington County Jail that you can do. You understand that, sir?
Yeah, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do.
Okay. You're on probation for 18 months. Your probation agent is Agent Johnson. Fines and court costs in this particular case for a total of $525. That is inclusive of the state minimum cost and the victim's rights fee and attorney's fees, plus $720 in oversight fee. You're to meet with the probation when and where directed, including in our home visits, weekly phone reports, probation group meetings. You're to attend and complete the Accountable Choices Weekend program and follow the recommendations after the weekend program and sign a release of information. You are restricted from having any alcoholic beverages in the home. You're to submit to, pay, and be responsible for random drug and alcohol tests as requested by the court, probation, police, or any treatment provider. You're to provide monthly verification of compliance of these completed conditions. You're to attend court reviews as ordered by the court and provide proof of compliance of those. You're to maintain earnest and legitimate employment. You are restrained from harassing, stalking, or threatening or engaging in any conduct that would place Leslie McBride in reasonable fear of bodily injury. No assaultive or threatening behavior towards her or anyone else. No unwanted contact with her. So if she says that you need to leave, then you need to leave. And you are not to pressure her to do anything different. If I find out that you have, then that's a violation of my orders. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You are to not be in possession of alcohol, illegal drugs, drug paraphernalia, and firearms, firearm components, ammunition, or any other dangerous weapons. You are not to be in contact with anyone who has any of those items. I'm going to do a review in 90 days to see if you're completing the terms of this probation. Hopefully, by the time you come back to me and have a conversation with me, it will sound a whole lot different than what I heard today, because today's conversation with you only made me more concerned. Do you understand me, Mr. McBride?
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you then. You need to contact the probation department. Call them tomorrow after 9 o'clock a.m. Do you have their phone number?
Yes, I do.
Please call them tomorrow after 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Take care.
I believe I may have missed the review date.
April 14th at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Bye bye.
Bye.